Good morning, my green buddies. This here is a plant that all you cooking lovers would be able to recognize easily. It is the fennel plant. Fennel is a flowering plant species in the carrot family. It is a hardy perennial herb with yellow flowers and feathery leaves like that of a carrot. Look at the small multiple buds ready to flower here. It is indigenous to the shores of the Mediterranean but has become widely naturalized in many parts of the world, especially on dry soils near the seacoast and on river banks. It is a highly aromatic and flavorful herb used in cooking. Fennel was prized by ancient Greeks and Romans who used it as medicine, food and insect repellent. A fennel tea was believed to give courage to the warriors prior to the battle. According to Greek mythology, Prometheus used a giant stalk of fennel to carry fire from Mount Olympus to earth. My dad loves to chop some fennel in soups and teas. Planting fennel by seed is an easier option, so that's what we do. Fennel seeds can be sown in plugs or directly in the soil. For temperature and climatic conditions, sow the seeds when the soil is warmed up. The fennel seeds sprouts in about a week's time. Fennel is a grow it and forget it kind of a crop. Ensure the soil remains moist during hot weather. It grows on a light, well-drained soil in areas that provide enough sun. In some parts of the world, fennel is classified as an invasive species because it spreads quickly and eliminates native plants. Fennel is a multi-purpose plant and still has numerous applications but is mostly cultivated as a source of food. It is rich in dietary fibers, vitamin C, B6 and B9 and minerals such as potassium, manganese and phosphorus. Fennel has a sweet taste that resembles the flavor of anise and licorice. Leaves have stronger taste than the bulb. The seeds are mainly used in cookies, cakes and pastries. Leaves are used for salads, soups and dishes made of meat and vegetables. The bulb can be consumed raw or it can be cooked, boiled, microwaved and fried. It is often combined with other types of vegetables or meat and used for the preparation of salty dishes. Fennel can also be consumed in the form of a herbal tea. People in India chew sugar-coated seed of fennel after a meal to facilitate digestion and eliminate bad breath. Did you know India is the largest producer of fennel in the world? Be it for ornamental purpose or culinary value, growing fennel is definitely worth the effort. Please subscribe, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. See you soon, green buddies.